Passing package on coordinate geometry part 3. Now here question, what is here? To find the coordinates of the point which divides the given line segment in the given ratio. Ratio means you should keep in your mind, that is section formula we have to use. Okay. So according to this point, what is that meaning? Here AB is a line segment. Here point P divides this line segment AB in the ratio M1 is to M2. Or sometimes it may take M is to N. Okay. Don't get confusion. We can take M1 is to M2 or M is to N. Okay. Now how to make formula for section formula? Now see here. Now to find the coordinates of point P, XY, coordinates of point P, that is XY, is equal to, now first here what is there? M1 is there. M1 into X2. M1 into X2. First you should write M1 into X2. Then plus M2 into X1. M2 into X1 whole divided by M1 plus M2. Okay. Now to find X coordinate, we have to use this formula. Now instead of M1, M2, we can take M and N. Okay. M1 is to M2 or we can take M is to N. So if you take M is to N, that time you should write here M and this side you should write N. In denominator M plus N. Okay. Now to find the Y coordinate, same you should write formula here. M1 instead of X2 you should write Y2 plus M2 instead of X1 you should write Y1 whole divided by M1 plus M2. Understood? Now using this formula is said to be section formula. This is the section formula. When question comes for you, what is the question here? You see, find the coordinates of the point. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of these 2 points. That means these 2 points is nothing but here like point A and point B. Find the coordinates of the point means we should find the coordinates of the point P. Here according to this, in the ratio 3:2, that means a point P, a line segment. Okay, now here is one line segment, I will show you. Here 2 points are given, 2, 1, this is point A should take, then this is point B, what is here? 7, 6. Okay, to find the coordinates of the point P, XY. Coordinates of the point means any point you can take point P or any letter. So P, XY. That means here according to this question, point P divides a line segment AB in the ratio 3:2. Okay. So now what is the formula to find the X coordinate? X coordinate. What is the formula here? We'll write separate or you can find XY both at a time means you can find. Okay. I will take X coordinate M1 X2 plus M2 X1 whole divided by M1 plus M2. It is given in the ratio 3:2. That means here M1 you should take 3, then M2 you should take 2, Then this one is x1, y1. x1 you should take 2 here. y1 you should take 1. Then this one x2, y2. So what is x2 here? 7. Okay. Then y2 what is here? 6. Then substitute all the values in this formula. Okay. I will take here separate x and y. Okay. m1. What is the m1? 3. x2 what is here? 7. Into 7. You write in bracket. That means we understood that it is a multiplication. Then plus m2. 2. x1. What is it? 2. Whole divided by m1 plus m2. Then 3 plus 2. Okay. 3 plus 2. Then 3 7s are 21 plus 2 2s are 4 whole divided by 3 plus 2 5. Then 21 plus 4 25 divided by 5. So 5 1s are 5 5s are. So x is equal to what we got here? 5. Okay. Similarly, we should find the y coordinate. So y is equal to what is here formula? m1 y2 plus m2 y1 whole divided by m1 plus m2. Now what is m1? 3. y2 6 plus m2 2 y1 1 whole divided by m1 plus m2. That means 3 plus 2. Then multiply 3 6 are 18 plus 2 1s are 2 whole divided by 3 plus 2 5. Now 18 plus 2 20 divided by 5. Now reduce it 5 1s are 5 4s are. So here y is equal to 4. Therefore what we should find here? Coordinates of the point. Now coordinates of the point, here we took P. Pxy is equal to, what we got x value here? 5. Then what is the y value? 4. So this is the answer for this question. Okay. Now question number 2. So what is given here? Find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of -3 5 and 4 comma -9 in the ratio 1:6. Okay. Now you have seen all this in the first problem, how to find the formula and all. Now we will go to direct by putting the formula. Now you take here first point x1 y1 and this is x2 y2 m1 m2. Okay. Now what is x1 here? First you write in rough column x1 -3 y1 5 x2 4 okay y2 -9 then m1 1 m2 6. First you write down in rough column, then it become easy for you all. Then to find the coordinates of the point, first we will take x. To find the x value, first you should write this formula. Okay, m1 x2 plus m2 x1 whole divided by m1 plus m2. Okay, now m1 what is there? 1. x2, what is x2? 4 plus m2 6 x1 -3 whole divided by m1 plus m2. What is m1 given? 1. What is m2? 6. Now multiply 1 into 4 is 4 plus into minus 6 3s are 18 divided by 1 plus 6 7. So this is equal to, now 18 minus 4 14, biggest number sign is minus. So minus 14 divided by 7. Now reduce it, 7 1s are 7 2s are. So this is equal to minus 2. So x value we got minus 2 here. Next to find y coordinate. So m1 into y2 plus m2 into y1 whole divided by m1 plus m2. What is m1? 1. y2 minus 9 plus m2 6 y1 5 whole divided by m1 plus m2 1 plus 6. Then 1 into minus 9 plus 6 5s are 30 whole divided by 1 plus 6 7. Okay, then this is equal to, now you have to subtract. Okay, 30 minus 9 21, biggest number sign plus, so plus 21 divided by 7. 7 1s are 7 3s are. So y is equal to 3. That means coordinates of the point P will take xy is equal to, what is the x value we got here? Minus 2 and y value 3. Understood? Question number 3. Find the coordinates of the points which divides the join minus 2, 7 and 3 comma minus 3 in the ratio 3:2. To find the x coordinate, I told you this formula we have to use, and to find y coordinate, this formula m1 y2 plus m2 y1 whole divided by m1 plus m2. So first you have to write in rough column separately what is x1 y1 x2 y2 and m1 m2. Now x1, what is here? Minus 2, so you should write x1 minus 2, y1 7, x2 3, y2 minus 3, m1 3, m2 2. Okay, then now you take this formula. You should remember this formula, it is very important. If you know formula, then only we are able to solve this problem, otherwise can't. So m1, what is there? 3 into x2 3 plus m2 2 x1 minus 2 whole divided by m1 plus m2. m1 3, m2 is 2, 3 plus 2. Now multiply, 3 3s are 9 plus into minus 2 2s are 4 divided by 3 plus 2 5. Now again 9 minus 4 5 divided by 5. 5 get cancelled, so here x is equal to 1. The next to find y coordinate. So this is equal to m1, what is there? 3, y2 minus 3 plus m2 2, y1 7 whole divided by m1 plus m2 3 plus 2. Then multiply, 3 3s are 9 minus 9 plus 2 7s are 14. Then subtract, here divided by 3 plus 2 5. Now subtract, 14 minus 9 5 divided by 5. Again reduce it, so this is equal to 1. So here point P coordinates are x comma y, this is equal to 1 comma 1. X are also 1 and y also 1. Question number 4. Find the coordinates of the points which divides the join of minus 3 comma 10 and 6 minus 8 in the ratio 2:7. Now use to find the x coordinate, x value, use this formula. To find the y value, y coordinate, use this formula. Then first you have to write down in rough column all the x1, y1, x2, y2 and m1, m2. Now x1 is minus 3, y1 10, x2 6, y2 minus 8, then m1 2, m2 7. Then substitute all the values here. First you should find x value, then you should find y value. So here m1 2 into x2 6 plus m2 7, x1 minus 3 whole divided by m1 plus m2 2 plus 7. Then 2 6 are 12, plus into minus minus 7 3 are 21. Then divided by 7 plus 2 9. So this is equal to, now subtract here, subtract 21 minus 12. Okay, 21 minus 12. Now take 1 from this side, 11, 11 minus 2, 9. So here 0. So this is equal to minus, here you should write minus 9 divided by 9. Okay, now reduce it. So this is equal to minus 1. So x is equal to minus 1. Then to find y, m1 what is there 2, y2 minus 8 plus m2 7, y1 10 whole divided by m1 plus m2. m1 is 2 plus 7, 2 8s are 16 minus 16 plus 7 10s are 70. Then subtract this, 70 minus 16, 54, then divided by 9. Okay. So 9 ones are 9 6 are. So this is equal to 6, that is y is equal to 6. Therefore, coordinates of the point Pxy is equal to, what is x here? Minus 1, then y is 6. Question number 5. Find the coordinates of the points which divides the join of minus 3, 6 and 1, minus 2 in the ratio 1 is to 3. Now use same formula. Now you take x1, what is given? Minus 3, y1 is 6. Then x2 1, y2 is minus 2. Then m1 you should take 1, m2 you should take 3. Then substitute here. What is m1? 1, x2 1 plus m2 3, x1 minus 3 whole divided by m1 plus m2 1 plus 3. Then multiply 1 into 1 1 plus into minus minus 3 3s are 9 divided by 1 plus 3 4. So this is equal to 1 minus 9 minus 8 divided by 4. 4 1s are 4 2s are. So this is equal to minus 2. X value we got here minus 2. Similarly, we should find the y value here. So y is equal to m1 1, y2 minus 2 plus m2 3, y1 6 whole divided by m1 plus m2 1 plus 3. This is equal to 1 into minus 2 plus 3 6 are 18. So this is equal to, now subtract 18 minus 2 16 divided by 1 plus 3 4. 4 1s are 4 4s are. So this is equal to, y is equal to 4. The coordinates of the point Pxy is equal to, so what is the x value? Minus 2 and y is 4. Okay. So remaining types of problems we'll see in the next video. Thank you.